Welcome back to the show, guys. Thanks again for joining me, Jason Pizzino, on my channel here on YouTube. Today's video, exciting stuff. Can finally share it with you. It is the crypto debit card. And it's something I've been waiting for some time, going through the processes, putting the addresses in and all this sort of stuff with the company to try and get the card here to Australia. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's cryptocom, formerly Monaco, with the ticker symbol MCO. It is the debit card. Before I get into all the benefits of it and bits and pieces, interest and earning and all that stuff, I will show you the package. Here it is. This is what it came in. We open this up. This is the next piece of the puzzle. That has the debit card inside. It comes with this beautiful little note as well. I'm sure you all want to read that. Put that to the side, and this is it. Let's focus on that so that you can get a nice clear picture of it coming out of the package. You got my full name on there. Laugh at it all you will. That is my metal MCO Visa debit card. So I've got the ruby, it's just the ruby color, platinum it says there, Visa Platinum, ruby. That is because I have staked some MCO with the app. You can get all different levels of the card, and I'll go into those in just a sec. But really, the beauty about this is it's finally here to be able to spend some crypto in the shops, wherever you go, wherever you like, spend the damn crypto. It takes a little bit of work, but at least it bridges the gap between having just crypto on exchange or in your decentralized wallet and physical product with added benefits. First up, how do you get the card and how do you actually get it to work? So, as I mentioned in previous videos, which I'll link above here, and I'll run through it very quickly, download the app. Set up your details within the app. It's very easy to use. It prompts you with everything that you need, and you can basically do everything off your phone. I found it really easy to use. That's why I continue to promote it on my channel. I get no kickbacks, no benefits from it. I have emailed them and asked them for it because I do like the product. They don't offer any kickbacks, so I'm just promoting it because I enjoy the product. Once you have your account set up, it doesn't take too long. Next thing to do is to load up your wallet, put your crypto on there, transfer it just like you would with any other cryptocurrency. And if you're unfamiliar with how to do that, best to go and check out the other videos that I've left here to find out how to do that. Moving on from that step, you need to sell your particular preferred cryptocurrency within the app into fiat currency, or load up fiat currency onto the app itself. So basically within their own wallet, the cryptocom wallet. So now that you've got fiat on there, which is essentially just like using any other regular debit card, or if you've had crypto on there, it's the exchange in the app that allows you to transfer the crypto into the fiat currency that are supported within the app. And that's pretty much it. Now you've got your card loaded up with currency that you can go and use, take it with you, buy yourself the typical coffee that everyone does or anything else at the shops, and bam, there you go. Card is ready to use. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'll share the added benefits with you. And if you haven't seen those already, again, check out the video. I've left a link to it up the top here. Pretty much, you have the added benefit of earn, you have the added benefit of interest, you have the benefits of Spotify free, Netflix free, Expedia free, and Airbnb. But that depends on the level of card that you get at the beginning, depending on how many MCO that you stake in the first place. So those will all be left. I'll leave the link to the website down below. You can check those out. I've been using the interest part of the app for about 12 months now. The payouts come every week. You get notifications from them, and you can transfer them from the app to a different exchange or the same exchange that's built into the crypto.com wallet, and trade it for different currencies or different fiat, up to you, and then you can use those tokens. That's at 6% interest at the moment. Some of them are higher. I've mentioned that in the previous video, so I won't go into that again today, but you can easily find all that information on the website, which I've left down below. Now we have the debit crypto card in Australia. It is under Singapore dollars, so you can still spend and you will receive a Forex fee, which kind of sucks. And I have emailed them and they said they're working on it. They're going to move it to Australian dollars soon. All of these things take time, and I have no doubts that they will get that sorted sooner rather than later, as they have done with everything else that I've emailed them about. Their support team is fantastic. I haven't had any problems with them. If you guys have, let me know down below. All I have is good things to say about it, and I'm really excited to be able to use the card and some cryptocurrency on the debit and on the spending side. That seems really cool. Anyway, that's it there. One last look at the card. beautiful packaging. Get onto that ASAP. If you want to get that, I've left my link down below. Basically, it is a referral link, but if you sign up and stake 50 MCO through their app, you get $50 US and I get $50 US as well. So that's not a bad thing to start, especially when the MCO price at this point is $3.80 US. You need 50 of them. So round numbers, $4 US, 50, that's $200 US. So if you do that and you stake, you'll get 50 and I'll get 50. So essentially 25% for you and 25% for me. So go ahead, links down below. Let me know what you think of it and if you've used it, if you're someone from the States or Singapore, what problems have you had with it, and you know, the good stuff. Does it work as they say it does? Looking forward to hearing from you guys. I will see you at the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this useful. I appreciate it because it helps the algorithm and the video and everything like that, just pushes the video forward and shares this content with other people who are also interested in finding out about crypto debit cards. I'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks again for joining and take care. Peace out. Remember, until next time, have more fun to get more done.